The MTGA mobile power supply platform is designed to support anywhere from 60 to 300 watts of continuous power draw, with a battery pack of up to 5 days. The trailers or skids are designed to handle the harshest of environments while being low maintenance. This solution utilizes 2 to 4 high-efficiency solar panels using a sliding assembly, allowing for safe, simple, and easy single-person deployment. The platform feature batteries are housed within an ergonomically designed sliding drawer assembly to provide safe and easy access. Powered by a state-of-the-art monitored solar system, ensures reliable support of your equipment. The platform supports an MTGA 8-meter linear actuator mast as standard, however can support a mast up to 14 meters in height, all with an optional automatic rotating headstock. The trailer model is also ADR compliant and specifically designed to be towed by a standard light vehicle. The MTGA mobile power platform is a safe and reliable solution for your equipment you have been looking for. Contact MTGA today for more information or visit our website.